The existing procedure laid down by the President's Secretariat Establishment Division, Government of Pakistan, the provincial governments are required to furnish to the Establishment Division the particulars of government servants dismissed from service and debarred from future employment under government in the prescribed form, copy enclosed by the 20th of each month, full stop, to enable the Services and General Administration Department to prepare a consolidated statement, the requisite information is to be furnished by the department/offices of the West Pakistan government, by the 10th of each month, full stop. It appears that these instructions are not being followed and these statements are not received in the prescribed form. In accordance for submission of these statements, that is 10th of each month, is also not being adhered to, full stop. The result is that the lists cannot be printed in time, full stop. In order to ensure the systematic preparation and maintenance of lists of debarred personnel, full stop, it is requested that the requisite information in respect of the department/offices, including the subordinate offices, may be furnished in the prescribed form, arranged alphabetically, punctually, by the 10th of each month, full stop. It has been observed in several cases, the authorities concerned are not in a position to furnish all the necessary particulars of the debarred personnel for the reason that a proper record of their particulars have not been maintained by them, full stop. It will be appreciated that unless full particulars of the individuals concerned are included in the consolidated list issued by the Establishment Division, there is a danger of some of these individuals rejoining government service undetected, and thus the very purpose for which these lists are issued will be defeated, full stop. It may therefore please be ensured that full particulars are made available in case any of them is debarred from future employment under government, full stop. The minimum number of copies of the consolidated lists published by the Establishment Division required for use in your department/office and the subordinate offices may please be worked out and intimated to this department.